Hello people, for this round, we're gonna show you how to keep track of who unfollowed you on Instagram. Now I understand there are apps to do this, but we also know that some people don't necessarily trust some of these apps. We're going to be using independent sites for this one. Now, for mobile, you would want to go to the settings on your top right and then access the Meta Account Center. But for PC, it's a bit different. You can access the Meta Account Center from the bottom left, go to settings, or just click on the gear icon on the top of the screen, the top right hand side, and then go to settings and privacy. Now here, just go to Meta Account Center, and once you're here, you want to go to your information and permissions. Now, once you get here, go to download your information. Now you can see this specific information here because I downloaded that earlier. But what you have to do is download or transfer information. And then we just need a sum of your information and go down followers and following. There you go. Once you click next, download to device. And you can select if you want it to be recent or if you want it all time. We can just go to all time, create files. Now this will take a few minutes, maybe around 5 to 10 minutes. There you go. And once you hit download, now that we have these files, let's just show in folder, extract the files, go in, and go to connections, go to followers and following, and let's see. Now, because I don't necessarily use Instagram, I'm only using this for the purposes of showing you how this is done. Now let's start with following. All you have to do is copy paste. Just select. Now obviously, the longer this list goes, you would have to scroll down. But what we're going to do now is to go to a website. Now go to Google, type in compare to list. Yes, compare to list. And once you got here, you can choose wherever you want to copy the to list. You can even remove the Instagram dates and just copy that. This is the following. Now you can just go back to the folder, open the other list, then copy to the followers. Now all we have to do is to compare the list. After comparing the list, it will show us 3 columns: the ones that you are only following, the ones that are following you, and the ones who are following back. Now, I understand there are apps for this, but if you want to manually check, this is the way to do it. Now, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you can always like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you again.